Hey everybody, I'm Veljko, and in my previous videos I've done a lot of exterior mods on my Lexus IS250, like the rear spoiler, tinting of my taillights, putting eyebrows on my headlights. But I want to go back to the interior, and the next thing that I'm gonna do is to wrap in Alcantara this glove box area. My Lexus is equipped with sport package, and that means many of my interior parts is in Alcantara, not leather. So I think wrapping the glove box in Alcantara, it's gonna suit the interior. I don't think it's gonna look out of place or something. Anyway, this is the Alcantara wrap that I bought on AliExpress for around $15. It's very nice to the touch. It's not that soft. It's more like an imitation of a Alcantara, but you can see it looks very good. I mean, I think it's gonna fit nicely. My only worry is during hot days like today, because right now it's summer, will this adhesive hold on? Half an hour ago, before I started recording this video, I tried to take off the glove box cover, the glove box door, like this, but it's so complicated. It is not easy, so I'm just gonna apply it while it's on the car, because you have to take off a lot of panels and I don't want to damage anything. What the? Anyway, it's very complicated to take off, so I'm gonna first use the paper to make a shape. I'm not gonna just stick the wrap already and cut. I don't want to have any risk of leaving scratches. That is the plan, so let's start making a sample. It's ready to be installed. I'm just gonna check one more time. It's gonna be something like this. I will tuck this bottom part inside in this canal between these two pieces. So hopefully it's gonna stick better, but what I also have to do in order for the wrap to stick better is to clean this part, to not have any dust in between. So let's quickly clean. Let's wait a little bit to dry. And I'm gonna put this thin double-sided adhesive tape on the top part and the bottom part, just for extra stickiness, let's say. There. I will also put, I think here is the good placement. There you go. I don't think I should put at the bottom because it's gonna tuck in, but maybe just in the middle, like that, and it's done. There. All right, it's ready. Wish me luck, because I have to nail it on the first try, because the adhesive is the strongest when you first apply it. All right, I'm gonna use the tape to put it in the right place. All right, for extra protection, I put a lot of tape. Damn, I need an extra person to help me with this. It's a big area. It's okay. I'll do it without. I'm slowly gonna start from the top. I'm slowly gonna apply it. Don't want any wrinkles. Alright, so far so good. Right, I'm satisfied. Lastly, let's take off all this tape. From the feel of it, I think it's gonna hold pretty tight. I don't think even on the sun that it's gonna start to peel off. It looks very nice. I'm gonna show you from different angles. I like the material, it's very soft, but I don't want to celebrate just yet because I want to wait for 10 days to see if it's gonna start peeling off. Because again, on the hot days in your car, it gets like 50 degrees. I don't want to make this video and to suggest you to do it if it doesn't work. So I'll see you in 10 days. And I jumped into the future, although not 10 days into the future, but more like 4 or 5, because I think that's enough days to conclude that the wrap will stay or not, especially that I had like 25 to 30 degrees outside and my Lexus was on the sun, and today I even forgot to put the sunshade, so it was really hot inside. But as you can see, the wrap still holds on excellently. Heck, is that even a word? Although, to be honest, a few days ago the wave started to peel off in this section and created like a little wave, but that's because I didn't put the double-sided thin and strong tape on the top, so I think it started to deform a little bit. So I put the double-sided thin tape on top, and since then it's been holding pretty well. I mean, look at the interior now, it looks so much better. And just to show you from a driver's point of view, there it is. Of course, I didn't put it perfectly. There's a bit of a gap here and here, but that's okay. I mean, I don't want it to be so close to the edge because for wrap to not stick out. Of course, no problems opening. And a little detail, when you're closing, you have to touch the glove box door. And when you touch it, you feel this nice material instead of a soft plastic. And that's just another reason why I put the Alcantara there. So there's the whole interior. Let me know what you think about this. I love it, but I will update you in a pinned comment down in the comment section if it started to peel off again. So far so good, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.